All right, quick video on replacing the light bulb inside the radio. You probably would have to pull it out. I'm not too sure, but it's already out. So and I'm trying to test the power on it. So the light bulb is right on the top here. If yours is original, has this little piece of tape on there that's there. Mine is pretty much toast, and it's just right there on top. There's this little housing that sits on that pulls right out. Okay. And then got a new one here. So this looks like the original light bulb that was in there, well along the tunnel burnt out. So I'm going to swap these out. All right, it's just your typical light bulb you push in and twist. This one has two nodules, both at the bottom. So that's how this unit works. All right, there you go. And just slip that sucker back in there. Okay, and then I'll find another piece of tape or something to put on top of that. Just keeps the dust out. But that is it. Real simple.